And this is the stem.
This is the day after surgery. And Queenie and Kylie and Adelie are coloring with chalk, making a mural of flowers. Good job, Adelie. Good job. Go color again. Go do it again. Yeah, go do it again. Good job. Go color on the wall. Good job, baby. Kylie, can you... Hey, Kylie, can you show me how you do it? Oh, show me how you do it. Oh, my word. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Hey, can I see your belly button?
Turn around, show mommy your belly button.
Let me see your belly button.
Look,
honey, that bug's not going to get you. Let me see.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Let me see your belly button.
Look at mommy.
Does it hurt anymore?
Say nope. It's all better.
Nope. It's also better.
Look at the beautiful flowers. Where's the bug at?
The bug.
Show me.
Go.
Let's see.
I don't see it anywhere.
I don't see a bug anywhere either.
Oh, down further.
Down. Oh, right there, buzzing around. I don't think that bug's going to hurt you, baby.